How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So to start, we'll have to open our Facebook account, and then in here we'll have to tap on this Facebook Marketplace icon, and then after that tap on the sell option. In here you will be given three ways of listing: items, vehicles, properties for sale or rent. As an example, I'm gonna tap on the items option, and then after that we can now start editing our listing. The first thing that you need to do is to add a photo of the product that you want to sell. So as an example, I'm gonna choose this photo here. And then in here, we'll have to add a title for our listing. So I'm just gonna type here mouse. And then I'll have to add a price. And then tap on the category option. So I'm just gonna choose here electronics and computers. After that, tap on this condition option. And then I'm just gonna choose this used like new. After that, you can also add a description. This one is optional. And then once you're done editing your listing, simply tap on this publish option. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, as you can see, I now have created a listing. To view this one, all we need to do is to tap on this. And as you can see, my mouse is now on sale. So that's how easy you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!